In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero reporting not working, whether your reports won't load, show a 403 error, or keep timing out. These issues are more common than you think, and the good news is you can usually fix them in just a few minutes. I'll walk you step by step through checking browser issues, fixing permission errors, and resolving data timeout problems, so you can get your financial reports running smoothly again. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Xero troubleshooting guides. All right, let's get started. The first thing we want to check is whether this is a browser caching issue. A stale session or corrupted cookies can stop reports from loading properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time to open an Incognito window. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N to open a private browsing window. This opens a clean session without using your stored cache or cookies. Once the Incognito window is open, manually type login.xero.com into the address bar. Avoid using a saved bookmark, because that can sometimes point to an outdated session link. Log into your Xero account from this fresh window, then try running the report that was previously not working. If the report loads correctly in incognito mode, that tells us the issue is almost certainly a browser cache or cookie problem. To fix it permanently, go back to your main browser window, open your browser settings, and clear your cookies and cached images and files. After clearing them, close the browser completely, reopen it, log back into Xero, and test the report again. In most cases, this resolves reporting issues immediately. If you're seeing a 403 error or an access denied message, the problem is likely related to user permissions. To check this, log into Xero and look at the top left corner. Click on your organization name, then go to Settings and select Users. From the Users list, click on your name or your initials to open your profile. Now verify your assigned role. To access detailed financial reports, like the profit and loss or balance sheet, your role must be set to Standard or Advisor. If your role is set to Read Only or Invoice Only, you won't have permission to access certain financial reports. If needed, ask your organization's administrator to update your role. Once your permissions are corrected, log out and back in, then try running the report again. Another common reason Xero reporting is not working is data volume timeouts. This usually happens when you try to run a report over a very long date range, like 5 or 10 years, especially in large organizations with high transaction volume. When the system tries to process too much data at once, it can time out or fail to load. To fix this, shorten the date range of the report. Instead of running it for 5 years, try running it for 1 year at a time. You can also reduce the processing load by filtering the report to include only essential accounts. Removing unnecessary accounts reduces the data weight and helps the report load faster. If you need long-term data, export smaller chunks to Excel. For example, export 1 year at a time, then consolidate the data manually in Excel. This approach prevents timeouts while still giving you access to complete historical information. So to quickly recap, first test in an incognito window to rule out browser cache issues. Second, perform a permission audit to make sure your role is set to Standard or Advisor. And third, manage data volume by shortening date ranges or exporting smaller chunks. Following these steps will fix the majority of Xero reporting problems. If this video helped you fix Xero reporting not working, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.